hope everybody's doing good. This is your home dog, your host, your master ghost with the most, the madman, all up on the spot, all up at the place to be, son. What the heck's going on and what's good? Y'all know what's good. I'm freaking good. Why? Because I'm here. Alright, so I am going to hey, whose turn is it? Not mine. I'm going to run you through a few things real quick, and then we're going to get right to the box. This is going to be part 2, by the way. Watch part 1. And what this is how to restore an old speaker box that maybe you've had in your garage or in a basement. It got a little mildewy, but it didn't completely flake apart. I'm going to show you all how to go about saving it. This is going to be part 2 of saving that speaker box. Oh, and this used to be Tattoo Tony, so it's kind of a little tribute for him. So, hey man, up in heaven, what's good, brother? Yeah. All right. Anyway, swing you over here. Oh, I'm going to show you a little something else I'm getting into. These are some old speakers I used to have. So I just wanted to show you. I've got 2 of all of these, 4 of some. This was the MAs. These are the ones that actually need to be rebuilt and put back in that box. Remember the old Kenwoods. Now these speakers were okay, but you had to have it ported right, because these only could flex so much, but these hit a lot more. These hit, I think 10s, no matter what, hit and you feel a lot. These ones punch. These ones are that nice smooth bass. But these I always thought were a pain in the ass. I blew so many of these before I got it right. I just kept saying it was a defect and kept bringing them back. What? Purely speculation. Purely speculation. Anyway, I'm learning on how to rebuild old speakers. So I think that's kind of cool, because I got some oldies that I would just love to hear again. And now that I'm a little older, I'm not out to just blow everything. I kind of want to make stuff last. But here's the other MA. I've already stripped it. I got new coming, but I blew this one pretty good because yeah, she's knocking. I think it's a knocker. Sounds like somebody's knocking outside. I'm like, oh, but this is my speaker. Whew. Oh, and I'm gonna do a video in a few days. I'm actually going to be building a car stereo in my YouTube station, so I can test everything with regular car mods. I gotta get 2 more capacitors, and I'm gonna build that. That should be freaking awesome. But anyway, let's swoop you down here. Alright, so what I did do since last time is I finished taking off all that black felt crap, and now we are right into the mess of it all. It's all here, but see what I'm saying about flaking away? This got pretty bad. It's pretty rough. This was just blowing apart if I tried to work it. What I'm going to do is I'll drop this down. First floor lingerie, women's lingerie. Booyah. Alright, anyway, so y'all can probably see that. That's pretty bad. The wood is like, it's hardly there, you know what I'm saying? It's like, man, come on, Cletus, with your old Adidas. Hurry up, goddammit. Cletus, what the hell are you doing with them goddamn shoes? You know the soles are out. You wore the soles right out of the damn shoes. Well, that's how the speaker box seems to be, because a lot of people are like, dude, just buy a new one. I'm like, dude, they're like $200 more than they ever were. And it's the same crappy material. So what we're doing is actually reinforcing this, giving it a gentle gel coat, a little bit of fiberglass maybe here and there, and we're gonna make this into a super box. That's what we're gonna do. With your host, the Madman. What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good? Ding, ding, ding. Damn, like rock the bells, kid, because this will definitely rock your bell when it's done. All right. So let me get you up and over there. So what I'm gonna do so I did 1 coat just to try it. This is fiberglass in a can. It's got strands in it. You want the strand kind, okay? What I'm doing is all the spots and holes that are worn out from numerous speakers. I'm filling that with this fiberglass, and then we will be putting another gel coat over it. But we're going to do the gel coat next round because I got to make sure I get all the holes. I got to do some caulking, yada yada yada. So I'm going to show you what I use. Is the fiberglass resin, but not the resin. It's the actual fiberglass. What do you call it? Liquid glass, pretty much, or something like that. Look on the GT glass, whatever it's called. I don't read. I got this far in life, so why start? I can guess and it makes it a little bit funner. Charades all day. What's this one? Just kidding. Alright, I would like to do a little bit at a time because this stuff is not pleasant at all. It stinks. I should have a mask on as well. So if anybody takes note to this speaker box idea, they want to rejuvenate an old box that they had when they were a kid. A lot of people I know that were in stereos, they still got like their first stuff, you know. So I always thought that was cool. I really did. Alright, stir it up like so. Get that applications right. A little bit brownish, reddish, maroonish, whatever you want to call this. That's what you want it to look like. Like a booger. Nasty ogre booger. Alright. Let me get this tipping. Tip it on, Volvo. Alright, there we go there. And now, what you want to do is, wherever there's some of the wood missing, which is probably going to be a lot because these get wet and you go to take your speaker out, it usually causes a problem. So, lap it up over that. Go find your holes, your screws, put a little bit on there. You want to kind of knead it in best you can, back and forth, just like that. Okay. Scoop it over, push it in. You're going to want to do this a few times, so what you want to do for the first time is make sure it sticks good. Scoop it like that. Okay. Any holes you got, this is the spot that we fiberglass, that big chunk. All that was broken out, but I still had it. It was only when I took the speaker out. So we did that the last one, so definitely check out my other video. I'll show you how to get started on doing this, or how I did anyway. Try to keep it away from the edges possible if you can, because you're going to want to fiberglass this all tight at the end. In here is mainly where you want to run your matting. At a later, the next one will do that. Alright, this is looking good. Oh yeah, look at that. What's good? What's good? You know what's good. I'm good. Yeah, and if you guys have any questions about anything I'm doing, just leave a comment. I'll definitely answer you. And I should be having a line of merchandise. It's good, man, all in the spot. So that's gonna be cool. Like different varieties, not just like shirts. So that's cool. I'm definitely gonna have some giveaway sets here coming up as well. And yeah, really taking charge here. I got some of my issues that were going on in my life all squared away finally. As I'm sure you've all seen, the Volkswagen shops rocking. Papa and me are rocking the house, you know. Awesome. Glad we put our differences aside because they weren't really that different. It's just, I don't know. Anyway. Let's see, can I get one more on there? Oh yeah, that looks good so far. Man, what is up? Cool. Put the cap on it before I pass out. On live TV. Okay, so what we'll do next time is I'm gonna get a nice scraper, a new one. Get all this black felt, the rest of that stuff off. I either take a heat gun, curl it up, crisp it up, and then shave it off. And then what we'll do also in the next video is we'll take care of this. This is the bad one. Look at that. Wow. You don't want to play with it too much because you want to keep whatever's there in the shape of what you're building. Just so you got it, you know what I'm saying? And hopefully when this thing is done, this should look like so. Just painted. We're gonna paint it. I want to do something wild, a wild color. I'm not sure what, but definitely. Alright, look at that, man. This thing what didn't say this already on it, I would definitely change the name. I don't know. Leave a comment. Tell me what I should do with this. Maybe just take a picture of it all finished with this, just for the remembrance of Tattoo Tony. We'll do it all original, and then I would love to take this off and actually do something crazy, because I can buff all these scratch marks off, make it look brand new, and you know, get jiggy with it. Na 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 na. So I think that is gonna look wild, but this thing's gonna be painted beautiful. Who knows, maybe we'll just get another piece of plexiglass, save the gents, and just to save it, you know what I'm saying? Just keep it real and feel, and you know, do something like that. So anyway, I'll be having a video with this, talking about this stuff, how to rebuild. I'll do step by step. Minus the one step, because I got cocky. I get cocky. What can I say? You know, when my mind works, I gotta do it now. You know, I got compulsive obsessive disorder. What? Oh damn! I gotta get that. Oh, I can't stop. I just can't stop building it. That's how it is. But anyway, within the next couple of weeks, we'll get this. I just want to do this one project first. And the Volkswagen, my motor, ready to go, boy. Should be bringing that to the shop here in the next couple of days, and we'll fire that one up, because I know some people have been like, hey, well, what's the motor? I'm like, hey, I just got my job back. Gotta you know, space everything out here. But now that I'm back in my routine, should be a lot of cooler videos, awesome stuff. So anyway, with all that magic said, I've been your host, the Madman, all up in the place to be. What's good? Y'all know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, Will Smith, that bell. I'm talking backwards, up, slap, bam, chung lee it, whatever you gotta do to it, but ring it so you get the notifications, that fat freshness that's coming out of my mouth. Alright, y'all. Peace. Catch me on the flip.